Ni igoti-ini ria Eldoret kuria Naftali Luzeli wa ukuru wa miaka 26 gukinyitio mbere ya mucirithania Charles Obulutsa na thitango ya kuhura mutumia wake Masibo wa ukuru wa miaka 29. Luzeli araikirio ngono thutha wa mbica cia video kunyagio nenda-ini haria aronekana akihura mutumia wake na kumuguraria uru na uria ni muritu. Kuringana na Valerie, ona thengia gukorwo maikaranetie na Luzeli kahinda ka mieri 5 akoretwo akimuhura no akamukiririria no ihinda riri aramuhura uru.
Because he used to apologize and I felt like maybe he'll change because I used to believe in him. So when he apologized, I felt like he was sincere, but deep inside him, he wasn't sincere. Even when I went to the police station to see him, himself, he was surprised to see me. And then he started telling me that, Val, I'm sorry, I didn't know it was going to be this way.
Valerie no ataririe na kuga muthuriwe ni mundu utari atia.
He used to be rude, even rude to the friends. He felt like he's stronger than everyone around the place we were living. Nobody could tell him something. Even the relatives, they used like to fear him. He was just pleading for mercy, but I don't think I'll give him that mercy because I'm in pain all over.
Ari mbere ya mucirithania Charles Obulutsa igoti-ini ria Eldoret, Luzeli atheirwo kuneana mbondi ya shiringi ngiri magana matatu oro undu umwe na muigana wa kindu kia mbeca orota ici kana aikio rumande.
Person released on a surety bond.
Cira uyu ugakorwo ugithikiririo mweri 20 mweri uyu turi. Handu-ini ha Kumeme TV, nie njitagwo Wangui wa Muiruri.